Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken stock. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 3 pounds of chicken bones, including backs, necks, and wings, plus any leftover roasted chicken carcasses. Also, prepare your aromatics: 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion, roughly chopped. Don't forget a few sprigs of fresh parsley and a bay leaf. A large 8-quart pot is ideal for this process. Next, for a richer flavor, roast your chicken bones on a baking sheet at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until they are nicely browned. Transfer the roasted bones and your chopped vegetables into your large stock pot. Add a bay leaf and a few peppercorns. Now, cover everything with about 12 cups of cold water. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-high heat, then reduce the heat to low. As your stock begins to simmer, you'll notice foam and impurities rising to the surface. Use a ladle or a fine mesh skimmer to carefully remove these, ensuring a clear stock. Continue to simmer the stock gently for a minimum of 4 hours, or even up to 8 hours, for maximum flavor extraction. Remember, a very low, slow simmer is key here. Resist the urge to stir, as this can make your stock cloudy. Finally, once your stock has simmered sufficiently, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth into a clean bowl or container. Discard the solids. Allow the stock to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It can be refrigerated for up to 5 days or frozen for several months. This homemade stock will elevate your soups and sauces to a new level. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.